Been actually waiting to do this video. In fact, half of the clips for this video had been recorded last year, way back in June or July, I suppose. I had been to IKEA. Oops, I told you what's the video about. Anyway, now that I've revealed, this video is about IKEA haul for your studio. Hello. I know it's been so long since I made a YouTube video. It's been I think a couple of years or maybe one and a half years since I made a video. So I'm here, I'm back, and this time I'm here to stay. So we have loads of videos planned. I'd been to IKEA. I've been waiting to go to IKEA. As you all know, I'm from Bangalore, and the nearest IKEA to me was in Hyderabad. I tried visiting IKEA Hyderabad whenever I was in Hyderabad, but I couldn't. So I was waiting when it'll open in Bangalore. As soon as the IKEA was open in Bangalore, I rushed to IKEA to find stuff for my studio, and I'm here to show you what all I bought for my studio and which are the must-need IKEA items for your studio. So let's get started. The most important thing I was waiting to buy in IKEA, it's this one. So let me show you what is this. So this is the famous IKEA trolley. It is most loved by every newborn photographer. Long back, I think 5 years back when I started newborn photography, I was in search of such a trolley. I had seen all my international photographer friends using this. Alas, we did not have any IKEA here at that point in time. So I did end up finding a similar one in Metro Cash and Carry. I'll show you, just put the clip when I'm talking, you can see the clip right there. This one I found 5 years ago when I started newborn photography, but the quality is so subpar. So I ended up not using that, and it's just staying there as a coffee tray in my studio. I was desperately waiting to go to IKEA to buy this one. Actually, I wanted a black color one. It was not there. So I ended up choosing the white color, which is also beautiful. So I store all my beans, scissors, and the sanitizer and felted toys and the hearts and everything here, so it is handy. So when I'm doing the shoot, I just pull this trolley towards myself. I take whatever I require. I keep my camera and whatnot here. This is the most important thing every newborn photography studio must have, and my most favorite purchase from IKEA. The next most important buy from IKEA and the most used thing in my studio is this one. So this is the step stool from IKEA. I use a lot of step stools in my studio, either to sit on it and wrap the baby or pose the baby, or I stand on that and take overhead shots, or I stand on it to release the backdrops and all that. I did have 2-3 brands, and they were very flimsy and very thin and not very sturdy, but this one is super sturdy, very hard. In fact, I do take this with me to my client's home whenever I travel for shoots. This is that important for me, and the perfect height for me, and also very sturdy. So this is my second most favorite purchase from IKEA. Next, I bought this beautiful box to keep my heater. I was really surprised. This is the first time I ever saw that the cap was being sold separately and the box was being sold separately. Here, all the time we just get one thing, the box with the cap. I was really surprised to see in IKEA that the cap had a separate price and the box. Anyway, this is also a perfect height for my heater. I use it to store my heater. I also use this when I take the heater to my client's home also. My next most used thing from IKEA are these beautiful cute glass vases from IKEA. These are really not expensive. This was I think for 99. This was for 199 or 200, but definitely not more than 200, 250. This was also, I think I remember it was like 150 or 200 rupees. So these are very affordable and very sturdy. I've used this in so many newborn shoots. I'll just try to put a few clips here so you can see how I've styled these vases in the newborn shoots. Very beautiful. So I bought this beautiful throw. I can just show you how amazing the texture on this is, like so soft, and you can see the bubbly wool coming up. I've used this as a beanbag fabric in my newborn shoots, and it has given such lovely images. I'll just try to put a clip where I've used this one, and I'll try to show the edited photo also. It's really nice. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I can use this as a beanbag fabric. So beautiful one. So if you're in IKEA next time, you can buy this. And other than that, I did bring a lot more. Since I'd been to IKEA last year in June or July, I don't quite remember what all I bought, but I do have clips from IKEA which I had recorded. I'll show you that so you can see, and you can buy whatever you need. Let me know if you want to visit IKEA again and do a second video, another IKEA haul. So write down in the comments below. And also, if you are owning a studio and if you have bought something from IKEA which I haven't seen, please do leave that in the comment box below so I can visit IKEA again and buy those for my studio. And also it will be helpful for all of them who are seeing this video. That's it. Let's go on a tour to IKEA and see what all I saw there. I was so excited to drive to IKEA. You can see me wave a beautiful hi to the camera. It was a very easy drive, 30-40 minutes drive from my house. Not a hectic one. So I'm at the IKEA entrance. IKEA is super huge, so I recommend that you wear comfortable shoes so you don't get tired. And look what I saw. Oh my god, these trolleys which I've been waiting to get my hands on. Beautiful. And these vases I showed you already. This is I think 99 rupees, yes. And these peachy flowers also, they were 99 each. And some more vases, 149 rupees, 199. I bought these also. And yes, I forgot to mention I bought a few scissors for my studio and for my home. These were I think 169. Yes, they were 169 rupees. And oh my god, look at that. Look at those flowers. It's a heaven for flowers. I mean, look at that beautiful green foliage and sunflowers. They look so real, isn't it? And here you can see a lot of cream and peachy flowers, high quality flowers to use for your maternity and your newborn sessions. And yes, you can see me carrying the trolley, the white one. It is a DIY trolley. I couldn't fix it, so my husband did it for me, and the queue was huge. A tip, don't rely on Google Pay here. The signal is not there, so you can carry your credit card or your cash. And you can see me zooming into all the food options. I was so hungry. It was a long day. And I'm loading all the stuff I bought into my car. I was so happy. I bought so many things, but I know I missed a lot of things, so another visit to banta hai. So bye. Next I bought this beautiful box to keep my is this step stool. Off my step stool. So this is the famous IKEA trolley. Nan mukha kanta idea. So ನಾನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ